Yes, my mom gives me my allowance. Now I can go buy my Reese's Pieces peanut butter cups. Oh my god, this line is so long. Hey. What do you want? Can I cut in front of you? I really want my Reese's Pieces peanut butter cups, and I worked so hard for my allowance, so can I please cut in front of you? Who do you think I am? Someone who lets a teenager boy cut in front of me? No. Wait, I have an idea. Excuse me, pardon me, excuse me. Just some random teenage boy just trying to get my Reese's Pieces peanut butter cup. Dude, go to the back of the line. No, I'm trying to get my Reese's Pieces peanut butter cups. I don't care. Go to the back of the line. So unfair. Hey, do you know a way how to get in front of the line and get your Reese's Pieces peanut butter cups? Nah, dude, nah. Actually, never mind, you're a weirdo. No, should I get the macadamia nuts or the cookies? God, just pick already! It's not my fault, I'm slow. Oh yay, my turn. Finally, almost to the front of the line. Scoot back, please. Twix look good, but I maybe want Skittles. I don't know. Just get the biscuit. Yes! Almost there. Hey, buddy, just choose quickly. I really want my Reese's Pieces peanut butter cups. Hey, finally, I get to get my Reese's Pieces peanut butter cups. Thanks, bro.